we're standing on our brand new 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This one is an outboard. You can also get the Scenario as well. This one's got the 300 Verado on the back, which gives you a lot of storage down where the engine would usually be under these seats. You pop them up, you got a lot of storage back here. You got 12 volt too. You're mounted out with the sun pad. Now, nice thing about the Sea Ray with the outboard, you still get plenty of space back here on the swim platform. Now walking through, you don't even need to get up in the boat and walk all the way up there. You can control your radio back here, and you also got a freshwater shower. Got a nice storage area under here too that also can double as a cooler. So you can leave your drinks in there, hanging out in the water. It's only an arm's reach away. This is a nice little boarding step. If your dock's up high, makes it easier to get in. You get 2 steps down here, and you got your ski tow pump on right here. As you can see in the cockpit of this boat, you got plenty of seating, and pretty much under all the seats you have storage. Over here you got some room for your batteries and all that, and then you got dry storage under these seats. As you can see, we got a white powder coated arch here, which is nice. Also has a little bit that extends. So up here in the helm, you have nice convertible seating. Obviously sit forward when you're running, and then you can face backwards, join the party back here when you're anchored up. You got nice thigh rise bolsters. This is nice. You can sit up a little higher, look a little more over the windshield when you're running. Up here on the helm, we have our Simrad display. This does your Mercury vessel view, so all your gauges will be through that. Got regular switching here and on the right side over there, as well as your Fusion stereo unit. This one actually has a touchscreen. Very nice unit. Very compatible with phones, all that, Bluetooth. And on our port side, your seat's basically mirrored what the helm seat is. Same bolster, converts the same way. But over here on the port, we have a sizable head compartment, as well as a little locking glove box. All right, up here in the bow, as you can see, we got seating for a couple people, either when you're running or just hanging out at a sandbar. Got a nice flip-down armrest here. As well up here, your anchor locker. You also have a forward boarding ladder, so when you beach up somewhere, you don't have to get out in the deepest part and walk around. So it makes it easy when you're out there hanging out. As well as you have a freshwater shower up there. Again, this has been Lars Pearson here, Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're standing on our 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325.